I don't know why people buy those disposable vapes. Because you can get a mod like this for, I don't know, $54, something like that. At least when I got mine. It has an on-off switch here, so if you put it in your pocket, you don't have to worry about the button. You know, it's locked. That's nice. And you flip it up. Now the tank, that's probably about $35. It comes with a little plastic cap. I've broken caps before, so I get these. I think they're ceramic or glass maybe. Anyway, they're like a couple of bucks. And then they used to, when they'd sell these tanks, they used to sell a little skinny band, a little rubber piece that goes around here. But mine's glass, and they quit providing those with the glass ones. I think because they want to sell more of these things, but anyway. And then the tank holds the juice. Right now I've got, what is it? Peach mint that I'm working on right now. And I make my own juice. Can't afford to buy it. I vape quite a bit. I do 1 milligram, but I do it pretty much all day now that I work from home. Anyway, it's got a open shut vent here on the mud as well. And then, like I say, the trigger button. And then it has a bunch of features here too. Yeah, mine's Geek Vape. So 53 is what I keep it at for this juice blend, but it varies depending on the blend that I make. And then next video, I'll show the ingredients. Here's my container of vape juice. I usually make pretty big batches at a time. And there's actually only 3 ingredients in this. So there's vegetable glycol, or vegetable glycerin, sorry, and food grade. And then there's the liquid nicotine, and the one I have is 100 milligram per milliliter. So you got to measure it out really quickly and don't get it on your skin, because it will soak through your skin and definitely, you know, get your heart racing. You know, this is pretty strong. So I measure that out, make sure I get 1 milligram. I get it down to 1 milligram because I vape all day long. And then the other ingredient is the flavoring. You get food grade flavoring, like for making candies and stuff. And that's it. You just mix it. You know, you could go online. They have recipes on how to mix it. So much cheaper than buying the juice, and definitely way cheaper than the disposables if you get a mod like this.